Hello dear students, welcome to the Al-Handasah YouTube channel. This is new class. In this class I am going to discuss about estimation. Inshallah I will cover all parts of estimation, whether it's theoretical or it's practical problems, and I will also do a project in estimation, so you should follow this course up to the end. Inshallah you will learn estimation. What is estimation? It is a determination of the construction costs for any given project. The estimate is then used for programming and funding preparing purposes. The estimate requires knowledge of construction methods, fabrication processes, and construction costs based on the measurement and payment section in the specifications. Importance of estimation. First, it helps to work out the approximate cost of the project in order to decide its feasibility with respect to the cost and to ensure the financial resources if the proposal is approved. Second, requirements of controlled materials such as cement and steel can be estimated for making applications to the controlling authorities. Third, it is used for framing the tenders for the works and to check contractors' work during and after its execution for the purpose of making payments to the contractor. Fourth, from quantities of different items of work calculated in detailed estimation, resources are allocated to different activities of the project and ultimately their durations in whole. Planning and scheduling of the project is carried out. Procedure of estimation. First, preparing detailed estimate. Second, calculating the rate of each unit of work. Third, preparing abstract of estimate. Data required for estimation. First, drawing. Complete and fully dimensioned drawings, for example plans, elevations, sections, and other details of the building or work in question are required. Second, specification. Detailed specifications giving the nature, quality, and class of work, materials to be used, quality of the material, their proportions, and method of preparations are required. Third, rates. Rates for different items in the estimate or the current rates for the completion. Know the items for work which include supply of materials, transport, labor, scaffolding, overheads, contractors' profit, taxes, etc. The rates are usually taken from the PWD schedule of rates. Fourth, lump sum. While preparing an estimate, it is not possible to work out in detail for petty items. Items other than civil engineering are called lump sum items or LS items. The following are some of the lump sum items in the estimate: water supply and sanitary arrangements, electrical installation like meter, motor, etc., architectural features, contingencies in unforeseen items. In general, certain percentage on the cost of estimation is allotted for the above LS items. Fifth, work charge establishment. During construction of a project, considerable number of skilled supervisors, work assistants, watchmen, etc. are employed on temporary basis. The salaries of these persons are drawn from the LS amount allotted towards the work charge establishment charge directly to work. An LS amount of 1.5 to 2% of the estimate cost is provided towards the work charge establishment. 6. Actual finished work. Quantities can be calculated from the actual work done in the project site. Types of estimation. First, preliminary estimate. The preliminary estimate is also called an abstract cost estimate or approximate cost estimate or budget estimate. This estimate is generally prepared in initial stages to know the approximate cost of the project. By this estimate, the competent sanctioning authority can decide the financial position and policy for the administration section. Second, plinth area estimate. Plinth area cost estimate is prepared on the basis of plinth area of building, which is the area covered by external dimensions of building at the floor level, and plinth area rate of building, which is cost of similar building with specifications in that locality. Plinth area estimate is obtained by multiplying plinth area of building with plinth area rate. For example, if we require plinth area estimate of 100 square meter in a particular locality and plinth area rate of building in same locality is 2000 per square meter, then plinth area estimate is equal. Third, cubic estimate. Cube rate cost estimate of a building is obtained by multiplying plinth area with the height of building. Height of building should be considered from floor level to the top of the roof level. It is more suitable for multi-story buildings. This method of estimation is accurate than plinth area method. The rate per cubic meter is taken into consideration based on the costs of similar type of buildings situated in that location. Foundation, plinth and parapet above the roof level are not considered in this type of estimate. For approximate quantity method estimate. In approximate quantity method cost estimate, the total wall length of the structure is measured in this length is multiplied by the rate per running meter, which gives the cost of the building. The rate per running meter is calculated separately for the foundation in superstructure. Fifth, detailed estimate. Detailed cost estimate is prepared when competent administrative authority approves the preliminary estimates. This is very accurate type of estimate. Quantities of items of work are measured and the cost of each item of work is calculated separately. The rates of different items are provided according to the current workable rates and total estimated cost is calculated. 3 to 5% of estimated cost is added to this for contingencies as miscellaneous expenditure. The detailed estimate should consist following details in documents: report, general specification, detailed specification, drawings, plans, layout plans, elevations, sectional views, detailed drawings, etc. Design and calculation in case of buildings, design of foundation, beam, slab, etc. Schedule of rates. Revised estimate. Revised cost estimate is a detailed estimate and it is prepared when the original sanctioned estimate value is exceeded by 5% or more. The increase may be due to sudden increase in cost of materials, cost of transportation, etc. The reason behind the revision of estimate should be mentioned on the last page of revised estimate. 7. Supplementary estimate. Supplementary cost estimate is a detailed estimate and it is prepared freshly when there is a requirement of additional works during progress of original work. The estimate sheet should consist of cost of original estimate as well as the total cost of work including supplementary cost of work for which sanction is required. 8. Annual repair estimate. The annual repairs cost estimate is also called as the annual maintenance estimate, which is prepared to know the maintenance cost of the building which will keep the structure in safe condition. Whitewashing, painting, minor repairs, etc. are taken into consideration while preparing annual repair estimate for a building. Items in measuring units. In this table you can see the item in their measuring units. For example, earthwork is measured by cubic meter, brickwork in many others. Areas of some shapes. Area of rectangle, area of square, area of triangle, area of trapezoid, area of circle, area of ellipse, volume of cone,